Good evening, everybody. This is Bill over at WWK Scale Plastic Models. I hope you're having a good day so far. I decided to do a little review on a kit that I've had here for a while now. I have it built. This was another flea market find. I think I paid $1 for it, so you can't beat a buck for a little plane. So anyway, let's get to it. This is a little it's made by Hasegawa, and it's a 1/72nd scale. It's the F-86F Sabre North American. So, and this was used, I guess we sold it to Japan. This was used by the Japan Air Self-Defense Force Fighter. That's what it was. We'll look at a little bit of the box art here. And we'll kind of look at the sides here a little bit. It's a good looking little plane. Let me get that to focus in for everybody. Then here's the other side on the box art, showing a few other models there. Looks like the HE-51B, the UH-1D, the T-1A, the MK-1, and the P-51D. I guess they made them in this line right here too. So let's set her down now. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Take a peek at what's inside. I've already checked it. It's complete. All the parts are here. Nothing was in plastic, so you know it'd been opened up before. Here's a little sheet. Shows how to apply decals. It's written in several different languages. Just gives you a little bit of information basically about model building. Shows you how to fix decals. That's that little sheet right there. Little real flimsy fold-out sheet. Let's lay that to the side. Then here's the main thing we want to find. Like I said, it's at 1/72nd scale, North American F-86F Sabre, guys. Let's open this up, check it out. Showing you the parts tree right there, what should be in it. And it's all there. Sometimes, you know, you buy something like this and not all of it will be there. There's number one, the assembly of the fuselage, cockpit, and the pilot. And then there's the number 2 step. It's got the main wing, the tail, canopy, and a few other little things there. And then assembling of the nose wheel and assembling of the main wheel, which it don't really give no pictures in step number 3 or 4 right there, as you can see. And then on the back, step number 5 is assembling of the other wing, underwing, and the additional tank. And 6 is the missile and pylon assembly. And then you got number 7, which is where you fix everything together. The nose wheel covers, the main wheel covers, and the assembled parts. And that's it. That's the instruction sheet. Wasn't a whole lot there, but it covers everything. Now let's go ahead and I'll show you the decals. Decals are still in pretty good shape too. I mean, I know this is an older kit, so I'm not sure when this was made, but there's the decals, and they're still all in real good shape. Some nice looking decals, you know, made in Japan. The instrument panel there, you can see it. All the decals on the outside. So that's the decals. They're not bad at all. Let's lay them over here to the side and we'll get to the model. Some of these parts was taken out. I'm going to go ahead and get the fuselage out here first. Let me see if we can get the good look on the fuselage here. It's in two pieces, as you can tell. Here's the other half. The detail's not bad on this. Not bad at all. See how she snaps together. Not bad. I mean, it'd take a little work, but it'd go together. We'll set that to the side down here. Then we got the couple of the wing pieces here. Both the wings. I'm not seeing a whole lot of flashing on anything, so seems like it might be pretty clean. Here's another parts tree. These pieces here are the ones that go underneath the wing. Not a whole lot of parts to it. Set that off over to the side. And then here's what's left of the part trees. You know, where the fuselage had been taken out of them, or the wings, one or the other. But you can see. And then we got one more parts tree here. There's the missiles. And I believe that's about it. Oh, here's the canopy. Yeah, that's good. The canopy's not beat up or anything real bad. That's all the parts to it, folks. I don't know when I'll get to building this. I got so many projects I want to do, and this is kind of on the back burner. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's a 1/72nd scale made by Hasegawa. The F-86F Sabre, North American, the Japan Air Self-Defense Force Fighter. I hope you like this little review of the plane, and make sure you, if you'd like, after you're watching the video, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try to do more of these review videos and then builds on them as I build them. So that's about it. I'm going to go ahead and sign off here, and I just want to tell everybody have a good evening. God bless all of you. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.